Are you looking for a grandma camp activity that's inexpensive, creative, yet leaves behind a memory that will last for years? I've got you. Today I'm sharing simple garden keepsakes using plaster of Paris and silicone molds. Before grandma camp starts, we mix the plaster of Paris according to the package directions and pour it into the silicone molds. You can use flowers, butterflies, dragons, bugs, any shape your grandkids would enjoy. If you can't find your silicone molds, you could also just use rocks that you find in your yard. I found my molds at Hobby Lobby. They were in the baking section. After the plaster hardens, carefully remove each piece from the mold and allow it to continue air drying for several days. This extra drying time helps make them stronger and ready for painting. At grandma camp, each grandchild gets to paint as many shapes as they'd like. They can take some of their creations home as a memory of grandma camp, and they can also leave some here at grandma and grandpa's house. Over the years, our garden paths and flower beds will become filled with little reminders of the time we spent together. Every painted butterfly, flower, or stone will tell a story. Long after the paintbrushes are put away and grandma camp is over, we'll still be able to walk through the garden and remember the time we spent together. 10 years from now, I may not remember every game we played at grandma camp, but I think we will all remember the feelings we had when they made their little garden treasures. Let me know if you do this at your grandma camp and how it turns out. Thanks for watching.